I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm making one of my favorite recipes. This is a recipe that my daughter gave me, and I can't wait to share it. It's so delicious, and I love when she makes this. I've started making it all the time. It is so easy, and it can even be low carb. I'm going to be starting off by browning some ground beef. Now that our ground beef is done, I'm going to add in my seasoning. I love Taco Bell seasoning, but you can add whatever seasoning you like. We're going to take a casserole dish and spray it, and then we're going to put down a layer of tortillas. We'll also put down some cheese, and this will help hold everything together. This recipe is so easy, and you can use whatever you have on hand. You can have some rotel ready or some salsa. I'm going to add some black beans to the meat. We'll continue adding everything in layers, the meat and the beans. Then we'll put down some salsa and some more cheese. We'll add another layer of tortilla shells and put on more meat, beans, salsa, and cheese. We'll keep layering this as many layers as we'd like. This was so easy, and it just takes minutes to put together. And now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. We'll leave it in until the cheese is really melty and it's warm all the way through. Once our Mexican lasagna comes out of the oven, it's time to top it with whatever toppings you like. Sour cream, lettuce, onion, more cheese, chopped tomato, or chopped avocado. Put on whatever makes you happy and whatever you enjoy having on top of your lasagna. We just love having this Mexican lasagna. I hope you give this recipe a try and realize how easy it is and how delicious. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.